Hello. I think we're live. Let me see. We should be live. Might stop the music a little bit. Might stop the music. Yeah, I think we're live right now. The music back on. Okay. Hello, everybody. I've not done this in a little bit. Feel like a good time to do it is now. Yep, as the title says, I'm gonna be working on V2 for my mod. It's kind of stupid. Obviously, one man can't make a mod, but still, I really want it to turn out the best. See if people want to play it or make a video on it at least. Alrighty. So let me get the mod opened up here real quick. Okay. Okay. Got it opened up. Here it is. I need to change the menu stuff a bit. Or actually no, that was not it. This is it. I need to change this, definitely. There's like a ton of songs in this. And like most, if not most of them, almost every single one are not my song. Most of these are just charts I wanted to make. But there is a section for songs that I've made. I also made this song, and I made a cover of this song, and I did something with that. I made a Darnell mix for Darnell, and I made a Samsung Galaxy mix for Darnell and Lit Up, and yeah, it's basically every song that I've made. The rest of it are just like songs I've wanted to chart. And the main reason this is here, Dave and Bambi marathon song. I gotta finish up everything for that, and hopefully it doesn't die or something. So yeah, let me see here for you. We got all these beautiful songs that's also gonna be added, and this song too. But there's one song I'm working on for this that's a remix of a song. Let me open it up here. Yeah. Okay, let me show it. Let me show it. Okay. This is like a remix of Run from the Versus Bob mod. So more stuff for it, but I'll, I'll probably work more on it later. I always know this thing's gonna do something. And anyways, let me ooh, what should I make now? I guess I'll make the sprites, the rest of the sprites for Dave and Bambi Marathon song. So we're gonna open up Blender here. Let me play this. Let's see, okay. So now let me now I have Blender here. What's everyone else doing live? Oh wow. Put on one lo-fi stream and now there's a whole bunch of lo-fi shit. Awesome. That's great. That's great, man. Super great. See here. This Spanish dude is playing Money Misery. What about those other streams, bro? Like this one. Oh, what? Oh, are you kidding me? They both ended they both ended like immediately, bro. That's disappointing, but anyways. So for this, we're gonna make the 3D guy for the song. I don't know his name. I don't know his name yet, but 3D guy for thing. I wish I could stream better. Actually, oh yo, hello. Welcome to that stream. Right now, I'm going to be working on a 3D guy. Let's see. So, grab a sphere. Smooth sphere. Very, very nice. Just get rid of those. Then I'm gonna get a cylinder. This is gonna be for the hatch. That's too big. How about it? You. Don't do that. don't do that. Okay. Another cylinder. This time for just the hat. It's kind of big, isn't it? Let's see. Let's shrink it down a bit. Yeah, he's looking dapper now. Hola. Hello. But right now I'm just doing this guy. I don't really want to do much else than this guy. So next, I know what to do now. So I'm gonna grab another cinder. Do this, then shrink this down a bit. For the body can go. It's looking cool. Alrighty. Ooh. Well, I guess it started from a Dave and Bambi song. This is it right here. It's in Codename Mention, obviously. There's like a ton of songs, but it really started with this song right here, Dave and Bambi Marathon song. It's just a little parody on marathon songs. Let me play it actually. Okay. Let me play it actually. Yeah, there he is. He's floating. I remember making this song in like late 2024. Turn down the audio for the game a bit. The original FOP for this song. Dang it, still my frames, bro. Yeah, might revamp this chart a little bit. So this portion specifically, kind of stinky. There's Mario. Mario's in this song too. Squidward's in here too. frames, bro. No, man. I hate my internet. Everything's looking great. Sonic, or this like stick version of him or something. Man, hearing this song like makes me realize how much I've changed in composition. And that's everything, every sprite done for the mod, for this portion, for like, whatever. Most of the song isn't even done yet, but I'm getting the 3D guy down now, so let's switch it back over to that. Yeah, before I get distracted, let's finish up this guy. So he's almost done here. Let me grab not a sphere, but a cylinder. we go. And delete the faces. We're getting somewhere. Okay. Oh, almost forgot to put this back on. Oopsie. Okay. Now switch to this, and then we'll. You know. Okay. Oh, don't do that point, do that one. There we go. There's probably an easier way to do this, but this is my way. I'm brute forcing it. Oh, what the fuck? How'd this happen? It's not meant to go like that. I think actually what I want is dissolve face. No. Just delete it. I meant. There we go. Okay. Just there. Yep, that's all you need to do. Nothing else. Did I do this right? I think I did this right. Okay. Yeah, I don't really have much commentary for this. It's just do the thing and do it and do the thing. It's just do the thing and that's about it. Usually I would have some part of some like usually I would have like some commentary for this, but man, I just want to do this. There's definitely a faster way to do this, but I've already gone so far. I'm not gonna just scrap it now. Yay! Eyeball emoji. Let's take a look here. So, it works. It's good. It's very, very good. But might need some size adjustments here. And then that seems okay, but let me fix this guy up a bit. Broader body. Let's keep it there actually, and then move these just a tad. And then, how could I ever forget the cylinder that's down here? So, the smaller cylinder that's here. Dang, 4 viewers, welcome. Responses may be delayed, but welcome. Working on, I don't know who this guy's name is, but he's gonna be named something. I'll think of something. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So give his head the old skin color material. Might as well just make might as well just make it fully black. I wanna make his shirt like a super dark, like teal kind of color, like this. Yeah, that seems good. Then just copy it over to that one. I might need to make this a little bit bigger here. Okay. Then for the pantaloons, we're gonna have let's see. Might go for like a really super ultra mega dark purple. Yeah. It's hilarious. Okay. And now we have this little guy. We can group some of these things by joining them together. Like, what happened? That's not good. Can I made him skinny. Yeah, we're not gonna make him. Yeah, we're just not gonna make him skinny. I'll save it here. I'm gonna call him I'm gonna call him Clamby with a K. Best name ever. How do I make this not bad? I did shade it smooth, but I just kind of shaded it smooth. So if I could have just shaded it, no, really? Maybe make them rough. Maybe just make these guys rough. 'Cause make them kind of rough. Yeah, that looks better actually. Then let me do some magic with the let's see. I think just like the roughness, right? Just need like a noise scale on it. Okay, maybe not. Metallic. I'll try metallic. No. What about? Okay, no. What about? Ew. Okay, maybe not. I almost forgot how to do this. Actually, I think I'm missing something here. Bump. There we go. That's what I was missing. So now it'll be a little bit bumpy. Oh yeah, that. But it kind of looks weird. Maybe if I like. This is weird. Let me try and undo most of this. Dang it, bruh. That ain't good. Can I like separate them? Selection. There we go. I separated them again. Good, I guess. Now, change these. Oh, no, make them super rough, not. Okay. Alrighty. It's the dude. It's the guy. He's there. I'm gonna make the world colored black so that we can make him have cool lighting. Let's see. First, we're gonna add a camera. Put it over here. Go into it. I don't think it's facing a good direction. Let's fix that. There we go. But really what we need to do is make it orthographic, which yeah, there we go. Yeah. Now let's go here. 1080 by 1080, 200% for that 4K quality. Now we add the lighting, I guess. Let me make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Now we add the lighting. So I usually use sun for this. Oh, he kind of looks scary, bro. Ugh, he kind of looks scary. Also, I probably need to subdivide this a little bit, but only the around area. Only the area around this. So like, let me make it this L. Hello? Can I not? Oh. Only this area we're gonna subdivide. So subdivide it. There. So now it should look a little different when it hits. Yeah, it looks different. Probably should do the same thing for this. Just don't select those and then subdivide this area. It should look different. Yeah, that looks cool. Alrighty. His top hat's kind of in the way, but that's fine because it's a top hat. version to... Nah, I'm leaving it like that. Okay. I almost forgot to draw his face. Almost forgot to make his face. Let me make it a 1080 by 1080 texture. It's gonna be one similar to the guy in the thumbnail for the mod, but not really. Why are eyes so hard to kind of... Okay. I think that's fine. Move this up. Okay. His face. Okay. This. Face. There we go. Alrighty. Let me add that image mesh plane. He's kind of scary. Let me make this a mission actually, so that can't I make the strength the image texture too? No. Okay, that's no cool. That's not cool.
Okay, that's not cool, man.
Principled. Then the guy. Also put it in the alpha. That's transparent now. Okay. And then for this shading of visibility, shadow, no, you don't want to see the shadow. So now, yeah, no shadow for you. No shadow for you, little bro. the exposure is kind of okay. Isn't get new collection, grab all view, which one there? Plan B. Oh, he's bald. Okay. So now make him bigger. There we go. It's helmet. Okay, make sure that it packs the image. Ready. It's him. It be him. Cycles, nah, Eevee looks cool. Alright. There he is. The 3D guy who's gonna be in the thing. Oh, okay, maybe not. Okay, we got the guy. Don't tell me to save again, boy. I'm gonna kill you. Anyway. Let's help. Oh, that only took a couple of minutes. I can go for a little bit longer, don't worry. How long was I for? Dang, 48 minutes? What have I been doing? Okay. So we made the guy. Now we're gonna make a new one. Import him via appending. So where's it at? section. There he is. There he is. He's there. And now... Oh. Yeah. That's Sigma. Anyway. Shut up. Okay. Give me a sec. Ooh, I gotta. Ooh. Hold on a sec. Ready. Oops. There we go. Jesus Christ. Okay, the chat. yeah. Thanks, chat, for showing all the messages I've already seen before. Anyways, we have the guy. God damn. Okay. I'm trying not to get sidetracked right now. Okay. This is why I be procrastinating, bro. I just can't think of anything to do. Which leads to more procrastination. I gotta learn to work on something. Let's see. We're gonna make the poses now, so with that. We're actually gonna need some faces for this. So let's go to the textures. Actually, no, open up my paint.net thing. And we're going to change the screen over. And no, just show my entire screen. I don't give a shit. But so we already got the default face for that render, but we're gonna need different faces for the poses. So now let's make that 10. So let's start with the idle face, which will be, oh god, I think that's a little too big. I ain't no artist, but I'd say I can do some pretty neat things. So there we go. Got the idle face right here. Probably have to move it up just a bit to about right there. Probably make it bigger too. Just a little bit bigger. No, make it nearest neighbor. Thank you. Alrighty. Now. There you go, Luna. Sorry, my cat. Anyways. Chair move. Yeah, okay, right, fine. We're just gonna do that. There's the idle. I'll call it idle. Then we're gonna make a new layer. Make this opaque so that we can see. Opaque? No, transparent. Opaque is when something is fully seeable. But anyways, now you have this little template here, so now it's kind of hard to draw. shaboom. There we go, chat. I can see you now. Okay. Okay. We have left. Now we're gonna make a new layer. We're gonna call it down. Now we're gonna make it the down pose. Face. Sorry. Yes. Okay. That's the down face. Now let's make the up face. Oh, whoa, that's too big. Whoa, no, 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 no. There we go. There we go. Hard to, ooh. Do that. That would be funny though. Okay, let me add the tongue back. There we go. Oh. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Okay, there we go. Let me grab the color of this right here. What the fuck? Okay, I am dumb. I thought that was dumb. I thought that was dumb. Okay, we have the up. Finally, we need the right. Since he's the opponent, I made this the left one. Okay. Put it in here, call it. And then be dash faces. save each one. Clan face idle. Clan face idle. Okay. Copy face to the left. Down. Right. There we go. Now that we've got that done, we'll come back to this guy. Add the camera that we are going to need here. Choreographic. Make sure it's there. We go. Okay. So now let's see. Make the lighting kind of dark, but not too dark. Then we'll turn on the transparent. Get a sun that will point this way. This way now. Make sure that this is a 1080 by 1080, 150 size this time. Okay, we don't need this face no more. So now we gotta add the other face, the one for the idol. So mesh plane. Then we go to textures, body. There. Oh, Jesus, okay. Step back a bit. I would love to do all the poses in one blend file, but it's easier if they're split apart. Start from here, then make sure everything's there. Then we'll start making the could work. But let me do some more adjusting. I think that's like too much movement. We'll move it back a little bit. Okay, now let me fix the tweening on this now. So isn't it like right click, interlope, then we'll do move this up a bit, easing mode out, ease mode out, cubic. Let me move this over to here. Select all of these guys. Move this over to here. Oh, I've only been doing it for one. Dang it. I'm done, bruh. Sorry. That's kind of funny, but what about back? That could work. Maybe. That could work. But let me just see bounce. Ew. Yeah, we're not gonna do bounce. We're gonna do ease. Okay, sign does not work good. Sign sucks. Automatic. It didn't work. I like that. Let me also move them a bit down. What the? Move them a bit down. Yeah. I like that. That will be his idol. Clamby. Oh, almost forgot. Clamby. Idol. There we go. Differentiate. Okay. Next is I can now go to. Actually, we can start on doing it right now. So now if I save you as left, then delete that. Start over here, then select everything, and go over here, just delete all the keyframes, so that now it doesn't move. Now, good thing I did this on Saturday, right? Well, started this on late Sunday night. Started this in the middle of Sunday night, but what am I doing? Alright. Let me add the face for the left. So oh, there it is. It's kind of small, so we'll scale it up. Can I unpair these things again? Can I unpair these actually? Because like wait. Isn't there like a thing to remove the keyframes of something? Clear drives. Unlink. Unlink, just in case. So like we can Control Shift, parent, clear parent. Okay. Oh, Alt P. Okay. Okay, I'll keep it with the head because the head is more important. Clear parent. Ay ay ay. Alt P. And then I assume this Alt P. Ah, come back. Okay, I'm making this now, so or just put it over there. Okay. That's like the. Dang it. That looks good. That's like the cheat code for it. That's the cheat code for it to make it look good. Dang it, man. What the hell? That's that. What the fuck? That's the cheat code. Just use the back easing, then you'll get Sigma. So, wow. I'm kind of disappointed because of that now. Through all my animation, why does this have to be the best? Okay, turning this into a sprite sheet is going to be a nightmare as well, because they're all different frames, and each, I assume that each pose is going to be 10 frames. Each pose is going to be 10 frames long, so that's about like 50 frames. Damn it. 50 frames in a sprite sheet. This is going to be so big. This is going to be absolutely bad. Okay. As much as I like the lo-fi, we're gonna swap it out. But no, he's not. No, he's not. He was, but he's not no more. As much as I like the lo-fi, we're gonna put on the SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
That's probably for the best. Don't
Subscribe to AI Sponge Rehydrated. They the goats. There you go. That's your Subway Surfers for today. This is your Subway Surfers. Oh, you gotta watch it. Oh, you gotta watch it. Oh god. You know what? Actually, wait. Surfers. Gameplay 10 hours. For vertical. We need that vertical. Minecraft parkour. No. We only want the Subway Surfer. We want that Subway Surfer awesomeness. There you go. There's your Subway Surfers. I won't use this as much, maybe. Actually, wait, I might use it a little bit, so. There's your Subway Surfers gameplay. I can't believe I added Subway Surfers, bro. Let's see, so now, we got this guy now, so we're gonna save this as down so that we can get work on the down. Sit down. Save this. Save, we're going to now select everything. Select all that, and just delete. This hopefully won't affect anything. Okay, if I do this. Huh. We're gonna delete that.
Ain't no way. You know what? Just in a place where I could still do shit. What? Up around here, I think is good. Yeah, around here is good. So that I can still do stuff without having to worry about whatever this is. Okay, let me add the face. Actually looks like the last frame for it. There. So now need some screen space. Right here. I'm not using that. I'm not using that space over there. We're gonna save this. I'm gonna save this one for the up. And let me check the animations just to make sure that they're still here. Okay, you're good. You're good. And I assume the down is also good now. Yeah. The down's good. Alrighty. Let's open up the up. Okay. This microphone. Remove the face. Select everything. Even the hat. Delete. Delete everything. Okay. Okay. Ain't no way, bro. Got that Subway Surfer gameplay. This is what everybody should do for their streams now. Just add Subway Surfers gameplay somewhere. Add the image. Out. Back. Out. Back. What the fuck? Next, we're gonna get the right. Well, lastly, and probably also get the icon. I have no idea how I'm gonna make the icon. The icon's kind of tricky. The icon's more tricky. I need to learn how to make them icons. Well, okay. Oh my God, there's a guy. There's a guy on YouTube that's doing that. Quantisize. Aha. There's a quantisize feature. I almost didn't know that. Okay. Then I could definitely make the icon. Okay. Subway Surfers, go. Subway Surfers, go. Go. Subway Surfers gameplay. Subway Surfers gameplay. Subway Surfers gameplay. Subway Surfers gameplay. Okay. Okay.
Phase done. Yay.
Okay. Now let me go. Now let me go to all of them. The idol and the poses, and we're just gonna I'm just gonna render them now. Which let me check my TMP folder for something. Yeah, they cleared that out like a couple days ago, so we're good. Control F12, and now it's rendering them. And it's done already. But now I need to make a folder for him. Plan B. Idle. Left. Oh. Left. I know what to do. Lift. Then. Left. Down. Up. Right. Alrighty. Now that we have those folders, let's continue. Left. cheat code. Okay. Left. Okay. Save once again. Then you're gonna go to down. Why is it over there, bruh? Okay. Finally, the right. Okay. Now that his poses are done, I'm going to close out a blender. And it's time for the fun part, the real cool fun part. Making the icon because I fucking forgot. I'm gonna draw on the face since rendering it would make it look weird. Rendering it with the body is gonna be weird. It's gonna make it look weird. So we're just gonna actually let's open up his thing here. Then change this to be 300 by 150. Why was it in? Yeah, whatever. I'm going to just go back to here. Open up this with 4.5. Go. Eyeballs. By 150. Two should be good. There we go.
Actually, might need an icon reference for this, so let me add an image. Images, icons. I use a Bambi. Okay. I was just making sure that these are right. Okay. Now let's see what it says. The icon. Shaboom shabam. Render that bad boy. Save as. I'll put it in. Alrighty. Let me draw the face. Duplicate, merge, then add a little bit of an outline. There we go. Now I'm going to open up spreadsheet and XML generator, and we're gonna make them. So let's put character name Plan B. Just clamp. The duplicate is so that do I do it? Did I do it correctly? Fuck. Let me do that. So 1, 2, 3. Let me just double check for 3. Well, do this just in case. And then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alrighty. There's that. 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the more tedious part where I'm just adding each image. Twice. So that I can make sure they're good. Oops. 3 again. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is like the more boring part, so just watch. I beg of you to actually watch the Subway Surfers gameplay. 8. Did I do? 9. No, I don't want to redo that for 8. 8. 9. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. Just make sure. Let me double check with the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then finally the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can't move the image either, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There. Okay. That bit is done. Idle. Left. Down. Up. Right. Now see. Oh, it is. Oh, and it's big. It is big. Oh, it is kind of big, but I think we're fine. How'd that hide? I don't know. I'm not gonna question it. But now we have the guy. What? Oh, I got replaced with this dance. That's fine. We're gonna go. Now we're gonna add them to the thing. Let me just make sure that the icon is saved to a different folder. There we go. So now it's time to add him. No. No. Command B. There he is. Save and close. Oh, he's kind of slow. Okay. Okay, I knew I had to do this. Okay, so mods, this, images, icons. Then grab this, put it in here. Well, actually. He's like huge. He's like massive. 60 FPS. Okay. Zoom in here. Put the Subway Surfers gameplay over here. We're gonna have to make it 60 FPS. Because that is slow. There we go. That is slow. So now, I'm gonna move him. Have to scale him down a bit, since he's kind of big. Obviously, stage is not going to be the stage for it. I called him Ramby, huh? Well, his name's not Ramby no more, so change to his name's now Clamby. Aye, that took a bit. Okay. Maybe not 60 FPS. Maybe not 60 FPS for his thing. Because that's a little too fast. That's a little too fast if you ask me. And yeah, I'm changing out stage. I'm changing out stage for this song stage. Obviously, because I don't really wanna. I don't know when to change it though, so I'll just wait a bit. There we go. And then Clamby. Love your icon though. Okay. I'm gonna make it 45. If that's 25. 45. Okay. 45 seems more reasonable. 45 seems way more reasonable. Seems way more reasonable. Every time I try and enter this song, it takes a little bit because, you know, it's a 13-minute song. It's a 13-minute song, so yeah. Yeah, better. That's better. This song does not need to be on Codename Engine, but it is anyway. Okay, now next I'm gonna definitely work on the stage here. Definitely work on the stage next. Well, not the stage. Yeah. The stage. What the fuck? Anyways, okay. Bear, grab. You know what? Stage editor will help make the face for it. So I'm just gonna call it like. I'm just gonna call it like, I don't know. Bamber Void. stages. Bam void. There it is. And now I have this, and there should be a folder in images now. There isn't. I wish there was. I wish it would make one, but bam void. Then you know the usual.
I don't know how to make the background like wobbly.
Anyway. Floating island. That's a huge. Okay, no. Maybe. Actually, yeah. I'll add it. So now we're done with that guy. Just add this to here, and we're gonna call it island. We're gonna call it that. Now I'm gonna add it. Sprite. Island. Floater. Floater 1, I just realized because there's gonna be multiple. Okay, so BF will go here, so behind everybody, BF, you go here. I believe we can just like size it down a bit for BF. Then GF over there, Data Dearest over there for now. Floater 1, Floater 2, same image, island. Huh. Okay. Floater 3, island. This one's for GF. So now we have this cool stage, which actually, I'm gonna edit the island image a bit. I'm gonna edit it. So I'm gonna edit it. Adjustment, color balance. Definitely need that green and cyan. What am I doing? So I'm gonna there. more thing. This one's gonna be kind of great. Oh, oops. Make this just that. That's not good, actually. That no good. Now we use the apply mask alpha. Multiply. It tried, I guess. It definitely tried. But, yeah. That's the island now. It's more cooler. It has a couple effects on it now. So now if I refresh it. I forgot to save. Oh, wait a second. I thought I did save. Huh? I'm confused. Okay, I'm gonna add them. So floater 1, floater 2, and floater 3. Stage zoom will make it. Okay. can't you like move multiple people? That's not good. Focus on dad. Nah. I can't. What? I don't want to make the background something cool. Space. Okay. Oh, this seems good. Outer space. And the image file will be called space. Ah, it's a JPEG. Don't worry, I have the power of paint.net save as to make it what I want. Call it space. Shabooma kabooma, shabooma make it boom, shabam. There we go. And there it is. Oh, did I make you transparent on exit? No, you're just transparent for some reason. Oh, I see. I see. Never mind. Y'all can continue. There we go. Just gonna put this right there. This will be the background for it. I'll figure out how to make it like wobble and move in later, but it finally has an actual background, so we're gonna what the oh
Why was there a spider? The fuck? Why was there a spider? I'm scared.
anyway. Okay, chart, edit chart data. Bamber void. Save. Let's enter. The Bamber void. What? How big do I gotta make this fucking... Oh, hell no. How big do I have to make this stage zoom? Because there ain't no way it's that small. Even though I specifically put it as 0.06. What's up with that? Okay, 0.3 then. 3.5. Okay, I see what's up. Let's go back to the chart editor and go to like yeah, this intro's kind of long. There we go. Now let me make a new Bambi just for this stage so that I don't have to edit the original Bambi's stuff. So we'll copy Bambi, then dash void, and then we can edit his X and Y, which was set to 0, 0 for testing. Then now let's see. Now I go back to the charter, and change this Bambi to Bambi Void. There. Ah. It worked. Bruh. Okay. Wait. Yeah, it's up. We want down. We want down. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna be very happy to do this, but I'm gonna make BF type to additional so that I don't have to play the fucking chart. And now let me check the rest of the characters, because I gotta... because I have to make sure that they're okay as well. Okay, well I can make Mario bigger. That's one star. That's a start. That's a start. So Mario. Well, again, we're gonna have to duplicate Mario just for this stage. Void. We can scale Mario up by a bit. So back to charter. Then yeah. That's... did that actually change? Now I have Mario Void open. Let me change this to Mario Void as well. There we go. Okay. Make Mario not float by pushing him down. not float too much by pushing them down a bit. What was Bambi's thing? Wasn't it like 420 or something? I don't know. It was 400, I think. Ancient Maidens, Mars.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Go! Free 5 pound spaghetti. Dai the pins. Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, there we go.
Thank you so much. So much.
No, I don't have to play it, yay.
Spaghetti. It's so cool. It's not all spin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 5 pound. Spaghetti.
Squidward's good. Squidward's good. May need to make him a little bit bigger, but he's good. I think I actually will need to do some editing to him, actually. Okay, remove, actually no, just make it. Go back to chart editor, then. One. Stupid. Excuse me. Okay. Yeah, I knew I needed to. Come on now. Okay, it's fine. Let me actually add a little bit of a HX to my boy. So clamby.hx. Not really much of a coder, but I'm gonna see if I can try and do something here. So here it is. Function post create. Then we need to figure out tweening stuff. So hacks tween, because there is some tweening that we have to figure out. FLX tween, which you probably need to import somewhere. I think I don't know. FLX tween. Wait, I saw it. Tween. FLX ease circ out, which I'll change that to sign in out. Sign in out. Alpha 1. We're just gonna skip that. I don't think that's it. I don't think that's. Okay. FLX tween. How would he? I'm trying to. I'm making sure that. Okay. Let me check some other stuff that has this. Seems like we can use Flixel and tween. Hold on. Source code will help me out here. Source code will back me up here. What the? Shaggy's alternate universes. What in the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna download that later. But anyways, let me look at the source code. The source code should back me up here. So it should be within here somewhere. Source. Well, Flixel then some.
Coming in hot.
Okay, this did use FLX tween. So we can add like a bunch of stuff to this if we want to. So Dad. Which I guess in this case would be Clamby, so I am a Disney Kentucky did nada. Okay, I'm gonna use this as a base, this thing right here. So I'm gonna add this here. Type ping pong. Then I'll do, instead of quad, I'll do sign. Then instead of this get thing, I'm going to just do Clamby. And then change this to Y. And then I think up, so I think negative 400 should work. Maybe. I'm not sure. We'll see. I don't know what that number means, but I'm not sure if this HX will even work at all. Post create. I don't think this will work at all. Yeah, I don't think that really worked. Unknown variable. I knew it! Okay. I knew it. Oh, what is D-Bud doing? Does he think he is Einstein? Oh, what is D-Bud doing? Does he think he is Epstein? Oh, what is he typing into VS Code? Will he be Einstein? Let's see what the final result is. Is Buster Blood actually Einstein? Is Buster Blood actually Einstein? Oh, what is D-Bud doing? Does he think he is Einstein? Oh, what is D-Bud doing? Does he think he is Epstein? Unknown variable. So I need to figure out how to like FLX tween. Okay, post create. So that means after I hit this, it's gonna pop something in here. It's gonna pop an error code or something. Well, that didn't do anything. Yeah, he's not really moving. So I need to put something here. I don't know what though. Sprite. Maybe. Huh. I'm confused actually. Wait a second. Oh wait. Unknown variable FLX tween type. What? Wait a second. Did it import? Oh yeah, it did. It did import that, huh? There. I have no idea. I'm just gonna do that. Post create, so that when this guy gets created, then he'll unsupported properties container. Use an object containing key or okay. Well, this shit is tough. Don't worry. It will be tough. It will be tough. Don't worry. I'm trying to figure this out. I'm trying to make him like move up and down without having to do anything else. Should be easy. Stage dot I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Does it think he is Einstein? Or what is Ladybug doing? Does it think he is Epstein? Or what is he typing into Visual Studio? Does he think he's doing something smart? Finally being released to the public, bro. It's gonna be so good, bro. Don't worry. It's gonna be so good, don't worry. Characters that get a Sprite, I'm sorry, Sprite, get Sprite. Or something? I don't know. FLX Sprite, get Sprite. I don't know. This is confusing. Let's see, guys. What is Ladybug doing? That's the thingy. What is he typing into Visual Studio? Does he think he's doing something smart? Let's see what the final result is. Is Mr. Blood actually Einstein? Is Mr. Blood actually Einstein? Yeah, see, that's what it's saying to me. Fuck. Come on, man. So, I need to put something there. But what is the question? This doesn't do anything else. Static. Overlay. Funkin' Sprite. Instead of putting it into here, I might... Actually, wait, nah. Nah, it could be... Nah, good... Nah. It's gonna be there. I'm leaving it there. Fuck, though. I need to... If it looks bright, it should be... Yeah. Variable. Yeah. Yeah, I kinda got that. FLX color. Oh yeah. FLX color. Almost forgot about FLX color. That's a good way to make a stage, huh? But anyways. FLX tween. Gotta figure out the tween. So yeah. Canceling. So we got this variable sprite, which is a variable, I guess. Or actually, apparently this tween is a variable, or something. I don't know, but we're gonna add that. Tween equals. Oh, what is Ladybug doing? tween then okay. That means tween will that means tween will equal this. I guess. I don't know. Tween will equal this, I guess. So now what's it gonna say? What's it gonna say to me now? I expected that. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to make it detect this guy. Fuck. Let's see. I wouldn't want to have to do it in the song scripts, so I'm not gonna really do that. Calambi. This is kind of new. Funkin' Sprite. Load graphic. That's no, that's not how you do it. Stage get sprite. Ah, I could use get sprite, huh? Let's see here. So we'll use this as an example. This is get stage. So this is stage. This is dot stage, which I think is used here. Which means, uh-oh guys, we're gonna have to move this over to a stage HX. No good. Okay, stage Amber void dot HX. I'm gonna move this over to here, see if I can do it with this. So get stage, get sprite, data, I guess. I mean, it is a sprite, so let's do this. Let's see if this works. Don't save. Then I'm just gonna go back to it and just delete it because, yeah, don't need that no more. So now. Oh wow. Oh, oops. Oopsie. The object does not have the property Y. Oh wow, that's amazing, man. Yeah. That's cool. Wow. Thank you, man. That's cool, man. That's cool, man. Yeah, man, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool, man. That's cool. Oh, what is Diddy Blood doing? He does not think he's Einstein. So that obviously didn't work, which I don't want that to happen again. So we're gonna have to come back to it with calambi.hx. So I have no idea what to make of this. Grr. Because if if we go to data, characters, and Marcus here, dent on beat false, beat hit, Cry dance. So I don't think we really need this then. Everlex Tween, we need to add the sprite here. We need to add the sprite here. I don't know though. I don't know though. This is a function post create. Oh, open up the command prompt too. Give me command prompt as well. Thank you. Jump to R&B section. Okay. Hello? Don't tell me it crashed. There's no way. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Bruh. That's not cool, man. Yeah, I know. I gotta figure out what to put there. I gotta figure out what to put there. So we end the thing here. We end the thing here. Maybe character Dutch. No. Maybe the Codename Engine docs can help out here. There's some global scripts here. Script calls. Character scripts. That's on character XML parse. We probably don't need that. Custom options. Character stage script. Wait, function updated elapse. Which I assume this will just like kinda I assume this will just like move him around, like turn him, you know? So it's gonna make him turn, right? Oh, it is! It's turning him! It's turning him. Wait, that's actually so cool though. That's actually so cool though. Let me bump up the number a bit. Is he spinning? But that's not really what I want. So angle. That's angle. Angel. X. That's X. Y. And that, I think there's he spin while he looked chopped though. He choppy. Stage scripts. Let's see how it is. Enums. I guess number. Character string. Aha. That's something, I guess. Static extension. Hello world. Custom class. Features. Scripting. He kind of choppy. Let's see. There should be a way to add like a parameter. Like. That'd be like a limiter. Come on. Come on, it's gotta be a limiter.
Learnax.
Hex, what the fuck is it? No. Hacks, there we go. Numeric types. There's some numeric types. Yeah. Actually, there should be something else. Enum. So enum can do, yes. Function type. So there's like class fields, gravity, which is like variable. Yeah, variable. I already know what a variable is. Okay, let's see here. Gotta be something with wait, expression. Something with expression here. Blocks. Literals. Literally. We're learning how to use HX today, guys. Hola, hello. Hello. Yeah. Super cool. Okay, so let's see. New for while do if there's there's so so this should like always moving down. So this is definitely doing something. We need to do math, guys. We've got to learn math. Let's see. So if I learn to do let's tween here. Tween, I guess Y could work. Add E's here. Oops, sign. Yeah. That might not work. Let's see. Let me go look. Let me go look back at the stage thing here again. This apparently has this. Which I really want to use it. So tween, I don't know what this 5 is. Is this the Y? Might be, but we're just gonna make that sign. And, oh yeah, make sure we get this in here. Boop. There we go. Now what to put there? What to put there? Ah. I crashed it again. Wow, I'm so cool, guys. Crash. Yeah, I love it when it crashes, guys. That's so cool. Pillow. I'm trying to figure this out, guys. I'm trying to figure this out. Stage. I still don't know what to. So I'm thinking if I look back at the character and stage scripts here. So yeah, this, that. Math. Probably have to look at some more tweening stuff with hacks here. That's lib, which means library. If it looks tween, what about this over here? Felix twin. Okay, yes. Tween. We could probably do this. This example. We could use this. We can instead use this example here. Tween angle. Which this. I don't know what about this sprite. I don't know what to replace this with, so maybe we can figure out where to put this. So if this says stage, Funkin' sprite, load graphic. Okay, we don't need to do that. I think. Incomplete, tween incomplete. I think we need to make it loop though. Holy, these do get a little bit long. They do get a little long here. Let's see. So that's angle, color, number. So I think instead of on complete here, I do ease. Then so maybe instead we could do looping. Dang it, I need to grab something like this, then put it here. I'm thinking looping here. Sign here. Incomplete. It's down here. It's down here somewhere. Incomplete. Well, should be at least. Called once the tween is finished. For looping tweens, it is called every execution. Okay, well. Oh, then it calls a function, I see, so maybe we don't need that. This is kinda weirding me out here. So yeah, we go back to this. Actually, wait, can't I? Can't I test him character editor. Unknown something similar to like Shaggy or something. That's probably definitely neat, right? So you can test them within character editor. I guess that's good to know. But get out of there, it's filling up the thing. Ooh, that was scary. Refresh it, I don't wanna see this. Okay, give me back this again. I just wanna restart. I wanna restart from the beginning. Make this 30 for faster. Then we'll go back down. So it should be spinning. Yes. He's spinning. He's spinning. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. That's great. That's super great and awesome. What if I change the number as he's spinning, Wait. Did that change it like immediately? If I change it... Nah, I didn't change it immediately. But this key will definitely make it, Will. Yeah. He's spinning. I can't believe it works with the character editor. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Okay, put him like down here. Shrink him down a bit. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, extend this out. Yeah, don't mind that. Try. Okay, we have this still. Let's see. We can change the angle, but there must be a way to like repeat something, right? Repeat? There's gotta be some kind of like repeat thing. How do I repeat a string n times? A variable? Maybe 4. Does not support traditional for loops known from C. 4. 4. Oh, I see. So 4 is kind of like the loops. So, with that in mind, let me see. Four. What the fuck? No, don't do that. 4. We're gonna make it 35, 0 to 35 here, then 50. This gotta work, right? Right. He's no longer moving. He's no longer moving. For I and E. I believe there's gotta be some way to execute some looping. Some looping. Let's see, guys. Gotta be something for looping. So I think instead I could do so gotta be, you know, play this. There's Subway Surfers. There's a Subway Surfers, man. I'm trying to find.
Okay.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Videos ago,
Yeah, but I'm only here for the looping, bro. Play the loops.
we've had one bay
Play the
Wait.
loops. Play the
Where?
loops.
hints.
Yes, that's
To the
array. I know. That's an array. I know. Push. 4.
It's like it prints one edit. It prints letter, and you'll see it prints A, B, C, and D, but not all at the same time. It prints one at a time. So when you run through this code, you get to the for loop, and then it will start looping over this array. So it will start at the first letter in the array, which is A, to the screen. And
Okay, so that means I just need to make a variable. Okay, I see. So that means var pl var pl equals 0, obviously. Then we do pl plus elapsed plus elapsed times 50. Okay, now there probably needs to be a way to if pl is over 360, that could be good. I think that could be good. Maybe we'll test it. We'll test it out. He's still not moving. He's still not moving. I made a whole ass variable and it still don't want to do shit. I made my bruh. I don't think this thing knows what to do. I literally made a whole ass variable. Dang it, man. Fine, no variable. Actually, wait, no, I need a variable. Fuck. This is bad, guys. This is bad. I made a variable, but this thing doesn't want to move. So, let me create a new function here. Function, isn't there one for like key press? Isn't there one for like key press or something? Let me look at the script calls again. Update, post update, on resize, destroy, global. I think we just need to use update. Maybe. I think we just need to use this. Update elapsed. Uh-huh. Update elapsed. Okay. Blood is suffering. No, my brain is suffering, not me. My brain. Me brain suffering. Okay. Key. There's a code for that. I know there's a code for that. Is it I just saw it in scripting somewhere. No, I guess not. There's a, I think, there's a custom controls. Yes. Something to do with this. Well, actually, we can go back to the engine source code, and let's go to menus, story menu, controls. What's something? We're getting there. I guess we're getting there. So, only 2. What? Only 2. So this is the gamepad. Press enter. Sound effect. Okay. I'm looking through here. Controls. Hacks controls. Tag controls. That's lib. Keyboard. That's probably what it is. Flex keys pressed. Yes. This is probably what we need. Nice. So now we can change this to whatever. I'll make it space. Then it will. Then this will trace. This will trace pl. This is just a little debug thing. it's 0. Why is it 0? We need to debug. We need to debug this. Why is it 0? Why is it 0? I thought I knew variables. I thought I knew some variables. Expression. Operators. Logical, binary, addition. Oh, string? Excuse me, it is not a string. Excuse me, it's not a string, so maybe just that. Trace plus, then isn't there a wait? There is a wait. Wait 0.5 seconds. Then I'll reload. Unknown Dang it, there's no waiting. Is there really no waiting with hacks? Let's see. There should be like a waiting thing, right? Hacks timer? Are you kidding me? Timer? Are you kidding me, timer? That's hacks though. I'm thinking. Wait no, that's actual flexible. I think we use delay instead. It doesn't know delay either? Dang it. I thought I was onto something. FLX timer, maybe that will work. FLX timer. Let me get rid of this. Maybe FLX timer delay? So 0.5. Let me try that instead. I'm really trying everything, huh? Unexpected talk. Oh, wait. There. Almost forgot about the semicolon. No, if I'm really suffering, aren't I? This is insane. Timer. I don't want to have to use hacks timer. What the? That's just not cool. I don't want to have to use that. What GitHub is this? Funkin' Modern Plus. This is not Modern Plus, bruh. This is just hacks. This is just hacks. It's not anything. FLX timer. Aha. So there is FLX timer. So FLX timer does exist. I think I just did it wrong. FLX timer does exist. I guess I just did it wrong. TMR. me see here. Today's date. Start timer. Start timer, huh? Timer for the start countdown. Oh, that's for the countdown. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing this right. I wanted to do that just to see what the number would be, but it isn't. But integer. That is an integer, my guy. Oh. Yeah, totally, that's, totally, I did that right, totally, guys. I'ma find it, don't worry, I'ma find it. State, substate. Button X, math, sin. Oh, Mathson. Definitely probably need that instead, so I elapsed. I assume just elapsed. Okay. Again with this shit. Okay. No more variable. I will actually that would make it think it's a variable. No, it's not. It's spinning. It's spinning though. It's spinning though. It be spinning. Okay, but what if I set it back to I? It will not move, okay? Elapsed. So that means math sign. So that means like, I assume it means like, yeah, trying to. Netflix tween. Okay, I think I might know what to do now. So instead of this, I do tween angle what is 2/3? 2/3. Ah, that's a little different. I'm figuring this out. Sign it out. Incomplete. I don't know. Oh no. Okay. Must go to Playstate and do tween. Let's find some tweening. Tween. If it likes tween, Sprite. Sprite tween. Okay. I think I'm seeing. This is what the tween with. So that number is what we're tweening, I guess. X 0 Y 0, I guess. I don't know. This is a little unusual. Like, I guess we could use this as an example here. Sign in out. I think. I'm trying to figure this out. Conductor. This is not gonna do well. Unexpected token for 7. Oh. Sprite. Huh. Object does not have the property alpha. Oh. Okay. Well then. It has been a bit. Been like almost 2 hours of me trying to figure that out. I'm just gonna call it here. That was somewhat productive. I got the stage down. We just got a bunch of stuff down. But anyways, that's all for this little teaser for the update. I'm gonna see you later.